Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to insert a text box into a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so if you want to have a text box in your Google Sheets like this one, here's how you can add one to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So all you have to do is go to the sheet you want to insert the text box into. So we have this project management sheet, and under the name of the sheet you're gonna see the insert option here in the menu bar, and select drawing here, and then we have this nice area here and we have the option to insert a text box like you can see here. So click on that, and then you have to select the area you want the checkbox to be, and once you inserted the text box you can add your text here. You can add them in multiple lines as you can see, and then you have many options to format the checkbox. So of course you can add some other elements here like lines, arrows, shapes, but let's just add a border now. Let's change the border color, and you can also change the background of the checkbox. You can also change the font. So then once you have formatted your text box and added the text, just click on save and close, and as you can see the text box has been inserted here. We can move it around, we can right click on these three dots, and we can assign a script. So Google Sheets app script, if you want to do that, you can click on edit and edit the text box, or you can just delete the text box here. So all in all, this is how to insert a text box into a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.